Welcome to this videocast. My name is Nicholas from the Office Superheroes channel. Today together we're going to take a look at how to multiply numbers easily in Excel. There are a number of ways we can multiply in Excel, but today we're going to look at the most basic and simplest one. Curious yet? Then let's do it. We'll use this table as an example. In the table, we have columns A and B in which we have written the numbers we want to multiply. In column D3, the formula will show us the result. First we click on the cell where we want the result to be displayed. In the cell, we type the equal sign. The equal sign is a signal to Excel that we are going to write the formula. We click on the cell that contains the first number we want to multiply. In our case, this is cell B3. We have added a reference to this cell to the formula after the equal sign. Now we need to add a symbol for the mathematical operation we want to perform. Since we want to multiply, we will use an asterisk. This is used in Excel for multiplication. We select and click on the cell we want to multiply by. For us, this is cell C3. We have the formula complete. Press enter. The result will be displayed immediately. If we would like to copy this formula to other lines, we click on cell D3 and go to its lower right corner. If we see a cross symbol, we click on the left button and drag the formula to all the rows where we want to use it. If you want to watch a video tutorial on adding numbers in Excel, watch our next video. We got it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, let us know via a comment or like. Would you like to see more videos on how to learn how to use Excel quickly and really easily? If so, don't forget to subscribe. That's all from me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes and I hope to see you in the next video.